And welcome to Scholar, and in this video we are going to be taking a look at how you can create memes with certain tools. I'm going to be discussing one artificial tool as well, where you just insert the prompt and you're going to get a ready-made meme out of it. So before we get there, I don't have to stress on the fact that how important memes play a role in your content journey, right? And memes should be one of the most important aspects of your content. Now I'll just show you one example here. I just posted this content which is a meme based, and you can see the kind of engagement I've got is insane. And the best part about the memes are that it leaves a long lasting impression. So if you're a brand, if you're a business brand, make sure you include meme as part of your definitely content bucket. Right now, here the next one, I posted another meme which was about this one where he says, I want to automate everything and then I'll go to Maldives or something like that. And I was hosting a workshop, and you won't believe I got so many people for the workshop just because of this one meme. It was a paid workshop. So the idea is, this left a long lasting impression. People started remembering me, that I automate a lot, and then finally the sales happened via the meme material. So make sure to start including meme once in a while. It's easy to make, and also people can relate with you more often than not, right? Take a quick look at the top 5 tools you can use to make memes. The first one is filmora.wondershare.com/meme maker. You'll find the link at the bottom of this video. This is good for creating fast memes on the basically if you have your own images with it. So it's not pre-made. You'll have to basically add your images. So I'm just going to share. Let's say I add this image here, and I can crop and everything. And here is where it will automatically add the top and bottom text. So I can just say traditional marketing, digital marketing. So there's a text inside, and then text outside can also come into picture here. So if you want to do this, you can just say kids these days. I'm just making some example, and you can change the colors, you can change the layout, the font, and what file type you basically want out of it. So this is one of the easiest ways to do your memes. Next is comic meme generator. So this is pretty awesome stuff here, because yeah, it's basically the site which is imgflip.com, and if you go here, it has pre-made templates already for you. So just click on meme and you will get on this, which is make a meme. You can select which one do you want, right? So this Drake hotline bling is pretty popular one, we all know this. Again, let's take the example of traditional marketing, and then we have digital marketing here, and that's about it. So you can remove the watermark here, generate meme, and you're pretty much sorted in one go. So here, if you don't have any idea on what are the most trending ones, you can find it right across here, right? You can see this one, you can see this is right here. So once I just added the text, and if I want to add the third text, I can do that. And yeah, so on. Like, these are like super popular ones that you can make use of right from here. So this is one of my favorite ones, and I simply get a lot of ideas from here. So this is imgflip, imgflip.com/meme generator is where you'll find this. The next we have is iloveimg.com/meme generator. Again, you can select meme template or you can upload yours. You will again get similar ideas from here. There's not much difference. It's an alternative of it, so whichever is working fine for you, you can go ahead, but you'll find some more meme templates here as well. So this is nothing but iloveimg.com. And the next one is pretty awesome stuff, where the website is makememe.ai. It is an artificial intelligence website where you just have to feed in information like this, and it will automatically generate things for you. So if I'm posting traditional marketing versus digital marketing, I'm pretty sure that Drake hotline bling, that particular meme, is going to pop up for this. But the idea is, okay, this is a different story altogether. So it just pops up like this. You can probably take a screenshot of this and start sharing among your community. But the point is, This tech is just evolving right now. It's only going to get better. So it's in beta stage right now. Absolutely free of cost. Just insert content marketing is pretty awesome. Okay, and click on meme. Let's see the kind of results that pops up. Right. Okay. So this is I fear no man, and but that thing content marketing scares me. So you get the idea of where we are heading with this, and it's pretty cool. So you just have to insert the prompt and keep changing it accordingly over here. And finally, we have livememe.com, which is again you can add your own text, you can create some cool stuff out of it, and you can try this out here, right? And it is digital. Okay, so this was all about the meme generation, and you saw 5 different tools out of it. Let me know if you already make memes and which one of these tools are your favorite, and if I missed out on any tool, just let me know in the comment below. See you in the next one.